I am on my way back home from the Baccalaureate. I was saying Baccalaureate, but it's Baccalaureate. And I did good, y'all. I didn't cry. Not that crying is doing bad, but it was long. It was like an hour and a half. There was just a lot of seniors, and there was a lot of ribbon cutting. There were a lot of slides to go through. And I love my dress. I love this whole look that I put together. So that was really fun to get kind of dressed up because, as most of you know, I'm always in workout clothes. All right, so I'm going back home. It is rainy, it is stormy, the clouds are black and gray. I'm loving it. So I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna change, and I'm going to, you guessed it, watch a movie. Good morning, guys. I am sitting here relaxing this morning. I'm really parched. I need to start kicking back some water. I am trying to have at least 4 bottles of water because I believe that's the right amount that I need to have per my body weight. So I know that they say drink 8 glasses of water. So in theory, I'm drinking 6.9 ounces, which would is 1 bottle of water, which means I need 4 of those. So I've been trying to drink. I've been trying to drink a lot more water, and yeah. So anyway, I have another chiropractor appointment today. I don't know what else to say. I'm really tired. My eyes have been burning lately. I'm going to guess that's allergies. And I'm just tired. My sleep has been completely off whack. As usual, nothing new there. I'm watching this new show called Seeking Sister Wives. Wow. Very interesting concept. And this is why I'm single. There it is. Loxie is somewhere upstairs, and I don't really know what I'm going to be vlogging today. I think what I need to do is get some water in my system and get dressed. I have about an hour before I need to head off to the chiropractor, and I need to do some editing, and that's about as far as I've gotten on my to-do list. Also, I got some new sports bra in the mail, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. My bed is a freaking mess. Like, why is this in my bed, you know? All right, sorry about the lighting, but I have a Victoria's Secret card, and so they sent me one of those like gift card things. So I saw it as an opportunity to get some sports bra and some other things. And they were also having a huge sale on sports bras, like $15 on some of them. And so these were $15. So as you can see, this one just looks very seamless. I think that's what they were going for. Obviously there are seams there. It is like a gray. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I think it's just gray, but for some reason I think there's kind of a blue to them, but it's not showing up on camera. So I got that, super soft. This one is probably my favorite. I love sports bras. They're my favorite part of a workout outfit, that and these shoes. And love the detail stitching. Look at this little part here in the middle, and then the detail there, and then the back looks like that. Really pretty. I got it in this color. I have no idea what other colors they had, I forget. And then I got a white one. If you guys remember the vlog where I was picking out my workout clothes, I had picked out a white top and then my new white Nikes, but I cut out the clip of me deciding what sports bra I was gonna get because I wanted a white one and I didn't have a white one. So it sparked me to remember to look for a white one at Victoria's Secret. But this one's really stiff. I don't know if you can tell, but it just looks really, like, look at that. It just doesn't bend and flex. I mean, it's just, I don't know, I've never, do you see that? I think it's just how they sewed in the cups, but it has a bra-like clasp feature, but the back is really cool. Do you see that? All the little tracks. I just love that. So hopefully it will be comfortable. I have no idea, but I got a white one. Yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna get ready for the day and I'll be back. All right, in the car on my way to the chiropractor, I also forgot that I have to pick up groceries as well, so we can do a little quick grocery haul. I have been toying with the idea, please do not scrape the side of that wall. I have been toying with the idea of a keto diet. My only concern with that diet for myself personally is kind of the no carb or low carb aspect. And I feel like once you have carb, you just, everything you've just done kind of, which way am I going? Oh yeah, this way. Kind of goes to hell in a handbasket, but y'all, I don't want to speak too soon, but I think my neighbor's moving. Alright, so enough random. I'm all over the place today, guys. I'm really sorry. But I want to try to focus on at least eating some of the foods that I've seen on this keto diet. I typically have the same thing for lunch every day. I have a turkey sandwich with cheese and mayo, and I have chips, and I have a ginger ale. And that's the kind of thing that I really want to cut out, is the mayo and the bread. But I'm also Italian, and I feel like that's just a really sad situation to cut out bread in my life. Anyway, I don't know personally what I want to do with my food intake as a whole, but I know that there are some breakfast ideas from the keto diet that I really want to try. So eggs, which I love eggs, some like baby tomatoes or grape tomatoes or whatever those are called, avocados. So try to introduce a little bit more of those healthy fats. And yeah, so you'll see some of those things in my haul today, but then you're also basically going to see all the other things I normally get. So, what am I saying today? I hope you all are having a really good day. Don't know if you guys are at work and you're watching me, or if you're in bed, or if you're in your house, or maybe you're even in your car, you know, and you're just trying to get through traffic. I feel ya. Trust that with a capital T. I can't show you guys because I don't have enough time to grab it because I'm moving, but you know what I love? When it's a bright sunny day and you see the sun sparkle on water, you know, like a little lake or a little pond. So pretty. Alright guys, I'm basically headed off again to the chiropractor, and I'm going to put on some Iggy Azalea, little Sally Walker, and I'm gonna do my thing, you know? sorry for the constant horrible bad angle. I really need to get one of those mounts for the dashboard so that you guys, you know, can actually see me instead of like my chin. I am just now leaving the chiropractor, and the exercises I was supposed to be doing, I was doing wrong. So I've got to fix that. And my back, just when he adjusted me, it was just constant popping, just everywhere. And I think that that's why I can't jog right now. Because he said so. He said that the way that my back is still popping, that he just doesn't want me to be running right now. But he didn't say that I couldn't ever run again. He said I can, but he just doesn't want me to right now. And I have to fix my posture as well. So that was good news. I was kind of afraid that my x-rays was going to be the reason why I couldn't do what I love. So that's good news, and I go back again in a couple of days. Oh, you guys, when he popped my back, I don't know if anyone else has the same response if you go to the chiropractor, but I always laugh. And it's like a nervous laugh too. It's not like this is a hilarious laugh. It's a nervous laugh. And whenever I would get my daughter to pop my back for me, she could never do it because I would start laughing because I could never exhale. You're supposed to inhale, and then as they come down, you're supposed to exhale everything out, and I couldn't ever exhale. I was still always holding my breath, and I would just start laughing. So it's really hard for me to get my body adjusted like that because I just start laughing. So he snap, crackle, popped my neck, my back, the whole shebang, and it is amazing how much my back pops. And you know what? I'm honestly not surprised.